Today, the Deputy Speaker was spent a better part of the day in eastern Uganda inspecting different companies. He started off by visiting Tembo Steel in Iganga and later moved to Mbale and spent most of his time in Mbale Industrial Park. Tayewa in Mbale commissioned the Unisteel Investment Uganda Limited, which will be producing steel products.
Investment Uganda Limited is another milestone for our development.
联合钢铁计划总投资1亿美金，占地14。
The Deputy Speaker praised the Unisteel proprietors for working around the shortest time to ensure that this factory stands.
It was built in 1.5 years. You can imagine. If it was our usual, government projects, this would take 7 years to build.
This is going to meet with the Uganda Investment Authority to ensure that they set up a one-stop center here to help the investors in dealing with some of the challenges they face.
So that if an investor comes here, they don't need to go to Kampala for URA, they don't need to go to Kampala for NSSF, they don't need to go to Kampala for work permits, all done here, because this industrial park deserves that kind of support.
Tayewa says they are working around the clock to ensure that this industrial park has stable electricity.
Money we have been paying in deemed energy costs, that is energy we pay for without consuming. So this is a game changer. This is a game changer. Now we have to ensure that you have reliable power with reduced load shedding. Electricity Regulatory Authority working with UETCL. They are going to install here a 50 MVA transformer.
The local politicians in this place also aired out some of the challenges that they are facing.
Very good and will be very endearing for our children, for our communities to receive back from this community, because most of the youths who are here, some of them are already parents. And if they had their children and they're left in schools close by, it would give that comfort. Even health-wise, if we have health centers close by, it will give them that assurance.
The communities around Masanda, they are communities bordering the industrial park, but they have to go around town in order to access the park, which is quite challenging. I think this is an issue that needs immediate support and immediate action.
Paying like 135 billion Uganda shillings, and the payments have not been going on well. But when I go back, I'm going to ensure that I follow up so that we can release money to do work in the park. That will address the issue Honorable Masawa talked about, because it's part of that major contract, the drainage for the neighboring community.
The investors who have already camped in this place say they will continue attracting their colleagues to come here.
Next 2 years, the industry park will create 20,000 jobs for Uganda. Speed up Uganda's industrialization process. Give more tax revenue to Uganda and improve the life of Uganda people.
The people running Mbale Industrial Park say currently they employ about 7,000 people, but they expect to employ about 15,000 people by 2025. Juma Kiria, NTV, Mbale.